Hmm. Transformer. An RF Yamaha APD or Yamaha APD1 RF demodulator. This this little box requires the signal on the AC3 Laserdisc on the analog track, on one of the analog tracks, to pass through. I think it's through there, through that input, and then goes through a complex series of components. Some which I kind of like maybe recognize. I don't know, it's some sort of capacitor filter, I think, and capacitors on here. I forgot what this is. I think it's a sort of a regulator. Oh, it's got a little what's it on it. I've forgotten what that part is. It's a heatsink component thing. But this chip here in the middle, that looks pretty important to the to part of the role of the demodulating the signal. My cat Bear was just messing around on top of the rack shelving in the bedroom, and I had to tidy a few things up, get him down, because it'll knock things over, because he's a mischief kitty cat. He's a mischief kitty. Aren't you, Bear? He's fighting with Magic, and Magic's gave him a good old tap on the nose. Magic's a senior. He doesn't like being wound up. I think this component here is a frequency crystal, because the RF is something to do with, I don't know, radio frequency, I would guess. I don't think I could use this actually on the radio. Anyway, I had this a few years ago, but I had the step-down transformer, or I can't remember. It's only a 2-pin cable, so I think it had a plug on the end. I've taken the plug off. So I guess the white stripes are live, and the black one is probably neutral. So it needs a 2-pin, and then connected into a step-down transformer to convert the AC voltage to 120 volt to 240 for the UK, because this is a Japanese model. So when I plugged it in here, it only lasted a few seconds, because this component here, the transformer, it overloaded very quickly. I'm not really sure if there is any other damage to the rest of it. I think I got a replacement one. The seller was nice to send me a replacement, because it's not intended that I was going to blow it up, but you just got to make sure you got your step down transformer. And I had to get a step down transformer, because I totally forgot and just plugged it straight into the 240 and bam. Because yeah, I had to convert the 240 volt over to 120 or something like that. I had to do the conversion. And I think this is damaged because I just tested it on the voltmeter, but the just set it to what is it? It's a transformer, so ohmed impedance. Crikey, I got dementia really bad today. Yeah, so I just switched it over to and checked it with the probes. Not getting anything there. Not getting a reading on the multimeter. Over this side, over on the other side, get a reading. I'll switch the probes around. I've got a reading there. Hold 1, 2, 3. And I've got a reading on a few of these ones over here, but no, I'm over on the other side. This transformer's probably cheap. It's probably cheap. Question is, well, I'll be able to find the part, not a problem. I'll be able to find the part. Just look it up. X S 995 T TK P. Is that an O or a 0? I think it might be a 0. 0 2 0 and 4 hyphen A 103 RS 9. I don't know that. Try an A hyphen 12 7 3 1. See what I get. Bear. Oh, get off of me, Bear. Oh, I'm not getting anything there. Okay. Don't think it's going to be. It's just. Maybe try those keywords. There's nothing else written on it, so unless I'm misinterpreting this. TKP 0204. Bear's attacking. What are you attacking there, Bear? What are you attacking? Let's try that. 8 access. Crikey, I thought I'd have found this by now. So let's try transformer with transformer. Bingo. So I've got to find the right one, you know, so it's the right part for the right job. Don't want to look at a picture and think, oh yeah, that's it, but it's not, and then it turns up and it's too big. It doesn't fit. Doesn't matter if it was just, well, no, it's got to be about the right size. There, get off of this cable. Just playing around with the cable. All right, I'll let you play with it. So no, you're not doing any harm. Try T. Let's go back and put TKP. TKP. 0 02 02 04 hyphen A 103. I'll try again. Okay, I'm getting some result. Oh, I had a result there. So I got what? Eagle 100 volt. So it's the voltage that matters. It doesn't have to be bam, boom, the same component, same, you know, exactly the same match. But it's got to fit, otherwise, as well as, I don't know, there might be modifications done to this one with the back, this plate here, where that screws onto the chassis over here. So it fits in and it screws up onto here. Gotta have more or less, you know, but then that component's years old, but then never cease to amaze that you know, you still come across the same components are pretty common. Let's look under images and see if I can see anything that closely, well, nothing closely. Most of them all got the wiring out, and all the wiring or all the connection here is where it's soldered. It's placed on top and then it's soldered underneath. So I must be getting the, otherwise that component would be, well, less than £10, I would say. So it'd be an easy repair, but it's definitely not showing any sign of ohmage impedance reading on the meter. So unless I'm getting one of the keywords here muddled up. Let's try this. What's this? It's got to be 100 volt. It's got to be 120 volt. Needs a step down, you know, because you can plug that directly into 120 volt, 60 hertz, Japan, US. I'm just not getting the right part, you know. There it is. I'm just not getting a match. Maybe the RU. That's the manufacturer's name. RU. Let's try RU. What we got there? What's this? What's this? Well, it's kind of getting there, but not close. Phew. Take off a few of these other keywords. I wonder if that does say it's not like an RU, or maybe it kind of reads like an RU in reverse. Maybe it's it's got a trademark. No, it's got a registered little R registered. What's that say there? Does that say TEX or FEX? Something 81212. Maybe try another keyword, but leave out a few other keywords. Maybe add some keywords to see. Let's try this. One, two. Separation. Come on, it's got to be doesn't seem very popular under images, so. But getting kind of like warm here, I think. See the same, another different transformer thing, but a different design, but it's got the like an RU kind of like reversed kind of an RU sort of logo. Yeah. Don't know why I'm even bothered to try and even fixing it, but I didn't think much years ago because yeah. That bear, leave that alone. Bear's got a fascination for getting into places, haven't you, Bear? I know you must be bored. I'm bored as well. No, I'm not. Point of fact, I'm content. I don't mind this. I don't mind. I like isolation. I'll be content. I will be content. I enjoy it. Whoa, but not, cats. Well, that's a different thing. At the end of the day, this RF demodulator only requires a certain voltage to run it. The transformer thing has just, you can run it on DC. Or DC, to do a conversion of where do I start? The electrical engineering is not my sort of field. But yeah, but then, only requires, because it's got the voltage, the AC, it's got to be stepped down as well, then into DC voltage to run it. Otherwise, and then all the other components regulating the resistors and everything, regulate the voltage level a bit down low. Otherwise, it'll blow all the components. Only the transformer got damaged, I believe. It had a smell, I think, at the time. So most likely, the transformer got damaged before any of the other components because I can't see any damage visibly to the rest of the capacitors. Otherwise, they'd be bulging with stuff coming out of it, and I can't see any of that. So I could probably test the diodes on some of the few diodes and the resistors, and they'll probably be sound. I'll probably get a signal on the voltmeter. It's just that, because the signal goes in and then straight over to there, and it got overloaded by mistake. I'm just not seeing any results there, so come on. Must be a keyword I'm missing out. Maybe some male pins. Male pin soldering. Something I'm missing out in the description to find. Let's try that. Male pins. What's this? No, that's not it. That's a Phoenix connector. Oh dear. Because they're male pins and they've got to solder down onto the circuit board. Okay. Set those keywords up. I'm not getting any results. Let's try that. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Different search now. Different search. Okay. Boom. Yeah, this looks kind of promising. Maybe. Yeah. What's that? It's under RS supplies. 12 volt. 0, no. 243. And transforming conversion down to the voltage and ampage. No, that's not the part. That's different. Although, hang on. Although I'm looking at another part, and if I were to turn that over, this plate here, or what's it here, or the base, or to the side, depending on what way you look at it. I'm looking at another part, but it's not. Well, it's kind of, but So 50, 60 hertz, 240 volt. Let's keep a little keep looking. Can't cross it. I've got to come across this. Come on. No. Oh, not an easy find. Not an easy find. Just getting the keywords in the right way, and then let's try these. Let's try this. Access. No. Okay. Join them up. Got to come across this. Got to be a common part. Come on. All right, yeah. Huh? What are you doing now, Barry? Block volt, 100 volt. What we got here? No, it's kind of different. No. Maybe warm on the voltage and such, but it's got to be the right part. Otherwise, it'd be like trying to stuff a big one into a small box, and can't do that. I'm gonna give up in a sec. We've got well, let's have a look at this. What do we got? Bon voyage. You were good. Well, yeah, the pins on this one are soldered underneath. Oh yeah, let's count how many pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, So 1, 2, 3, 4. Hang on. What's this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the other side is at 4 pins. I can't see a picture on that. They don't show a 3D picture where you can move it around. Let's look at the numbers again on there. TP, TKP. Oh boy. What about this component? What's this one? I don't think so. And it actually looks a little bit small. Like too small. 30. Come on, what other keywords could I be? Let's try. AP. What was it? AP1. AP1. Was it A? Where's the pound? APD. What's this put? Oh, well, blind me. Oh, oh, blimey, that was different. Oh, oh dear. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Just trying to. I wonder if there's a service manual for that. So the voltage has got to come off at some point on here. So that's got to be the input, and that'll be the output. So 1, 2, possibly 1 is a ground or such, but there's no actual ground on here. So, and probably 2 outputs per to regulate, or maybe I don't know. I don't know. I need a like a schematic diagram, which I think might take a while. Find something like that. Crikey, just need the part. Come on, just need a part. Just need a snap. Buy and then wait and then desolder and solder a new part and then connect it up to the laser display to see if it activates. Try that. 110, 120, 220, 240. PDF file, but this only shows how, what doesn't show anything else. Doesn't show any schematic diagram. I think it's I've exhausted just about every keyword to find a snap. So maybe this contractual, transformer itself thing has been kind of discontinued and superseded with a different design. I fail to believe. Maybe it's got to be something there. What am I not thinking? Come on. I'm not thinking. Come on, think. Try another search. It's not a bell transformer. So obviously a 120 volt. What we got here under the what have we got on there under images? You know, even if there was another part and it was kind of like, you know, it's just, no, it's just going to be awkward. It's just going to be a dog's dinner if I've got to solder the wires on. It's got to be the pins. It's got to be with the pins. Phew. Everyone's doing them. No. I'm going to give up. I mean, this one, let's get this other part I'm looking at. It looks, but where's the tape measure? Roughly what size are we? Roughly what size is this? I'll measure it from there to there. So that's roughly about 1.5 inch. No, 1 3/4. About 1 3/4 inch. Measure it the other way, it's almost height. Well, you measure it to that part there or up to the very, very top of the. It's difficult. It's under 2 inches. For argument's sake, it's under 1.5 or 1 3/4 inch. So I've got here data sheet. Let's have a look. Data sheet. So these have got to be the pin output or inputs outputs. So I've got here 1 2 3 4 5, and on this side 1 2 and 3 and 4. So yeah, signal coming in and then boom. 1 2 and 3, and on the other one 1 2. On the other side 1 2, and then on the other side 1 2. Total pins 10. Yes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4. I've got to look at this side. So it's probably following the right. Yeah, because it's obviously the output, but does this component fit? I mean, would it be paramount to have this on the side just so it's screwed on? You know, I suppose it's just so it doesn't rattle around, but didn't seem so. PCB drilling diameter 1.4 millimeter. Yeah, maybe. But I don't know what size this actual thing is. Primary, secondary, and full foul. You're being savage there, aren't you, Barry? Well, what are you doing there, Bear? Three, 4, 3, 5, 2, 7, 278689352 30 volt, 30 watt, 30 watt, 35 watt. Yeah. I think that might be. Let's go back to images. Well, that's a pretty pricey one. 300. Oh, I'm not paying that. Daylight robbery. Isolation voltage 4 kilovolt, 85 volt, 265, 5 volts, 15, 24. I'm going to do that. So what is this part here? What fell down on the floor? Get before the bear gets it. What is that? Oh, that's the what's the thing that goes on the back of the yeah. It just holds the wire on there. Transformer. It's obviously a transformer. So it's got a part on it, but I guess if I look for other components in here, look up the make and the name and such, I'll probably be able to find those components. But man, I'm sure having a hard time finding a transformer. It's a conspiracy. Because it knows, the aliens. You see, the aliens on the internet. You see, they already know what you want to look for, and then the aliens try to put these fillers in to sort of like mask, like fog, and so that because the aliens control everything. The government are the aliens, and we should take them down. Because they're aliens, They're really not human. So what have we got here? Oh my goodness me! I can't believe the jokers that sell these Yamaha demodulators on eBay. I can't believe the jokers out there. $250. That's more than the fucking Laserdisc player if you buy one at a decent price. Daylight robbery. I'll tell you what, you can shove that 250 up where the sun doesn't shine. Bloody daylight robbery, because they think, oh, it's a necessity and that's a luxury. Oh, bullshit. That's just bloody greedy. And there's another seller selling one. I think this must be a few years ago. $246. If I could repair this, I would I would list it far, far, far less. I'll just, sell it to someone that wants it, but really, really cheap. Because I don't believe that's justifiable, that freaking price. What are you doing there, Bear? Come on. Out. Come on, scoot. Scoot. Come on, Bear. Yeah. Oh, I give up. I give up looking for this. I'll try Transformer. Let's just try Transformer 1-2. 120 volt. Because this isn't a. What's it? If push comes to shove, I'm gonna have to shove something else in to get it working. But I just can't find the right freaking. About all the freaking parts there I can find, I just can't find one where the pins have got to be soldered from underneath. Everything else I'm seeing mostly is all got wires coming out of it. It's just going to make it awkward to fit the flipping thing in the box, because once it goes in the box and that, it mounts up on there and that, and then the how high. It's only so many millimeters away from the top, so it's got to be the right size. I can't stuff something in there that's that's not going to fit. Otherwise it'd just be a dog's dinner. Oh gosh, can't find a part here that's. Oh, this is not looking good. No. I mean, I'm looking at one other part that looks, but to me it looks a little bit too small, because I think I've seen those components, these other transformers. I think I've got something similar on wait a second. I wonder if there's anything similar to something else I have. No, there's a little transformer here. That's on a power supply board. This one's got cracked in half when it came with the. I can't remember what this came with. This go in a Sony Blu-ray player. May have. But that transformer there, that's way too large. It's a little bit large. It's just a little bit too. But again, it's all soldering underneath. It's unlikely it's damaged. Circuit board was damaged, so you're going to get a voltage in there. So either way, it's not going to. Gotta be something. Something I can see. The other component I'm looking at, I've seen it before somewhere, and it's a little bit smaller. It's a lot smaller than that. But maybe it's the same voltage and everything. Unbelievable, I can't find a freaking part. Used up every keyword, and that's listed on this part, which is well, it says. Well, that's a pretty good picture there. That's showing up pretty good. That's the numbers on it. I just can't find it. You know? It's like Cinderella missing her slipper, and I just can't find the right part for the right job, for the, if transformer fits, wear it, and I can't find the right slipper. Can't just, otherwise if I get the voltage all boom wrong, it will surely damage the rest of the components, and most likely vital components, like these little chips on here, sort of little chips over here. Those are, that's what we got here. That's surface mount. That's because this circuit board is kind of some sort of double layered sort of thing. So you can have components soldered surface mount on top side, and then some other components surface mounted on the underside, while some other components still pass through while they're with soldering on the underside. There's no components on the underside that pop up onto the top side where they're soldered through, because it's surface mounted. I just can't find it. Just can't find it. What's this one now? It's not near or close. That isn't near or close to what I'm looking for. Anyway, this video's gone on a little bit too long now, so I'm stopping it. So anyway, if I find the part for this transformer part, I'll carry on looking, and see if I can get this little RF demodulator repaired. I've got the technology, Dun 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 do 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 do. You can rebuild it. Hopefully with the same component, but I just can't find it. I might just stay on just a little bit more longer. Want to go back to bed. This is COVID things, vaccine things making me feeling a little bit exhausted now. Just giving up. Just can't find it. There's got to be something here that's eluding me. There's no other numbers on this. No other. Mini transformer. I don't know. Sure. Oh, yeah. Try that. Mini transformer, because it is mini. No. Oh boy. Yes, through hole, audio through hole. What's this one? Don't know what the heck that is. Yeah, electric transformer. Yeah, I wonder if there's anything like that. It's got to be something like that part in something else, and but what? Let me just have another thing. I mean, this part here, it's plastic. Something's sort of like telling me, I don't know, because I can't really see beyond everything. So I think I'll just desolder it. Get the part out. Because it's got to, I've got, you know, got a bit of something there. But there's something there that's kind of concealing what I can't see. I mean, how do I know it's not wires underneath, and then they solder onto pins and then onto the circuit board? I mean, because there's something about this little plastic bit here, and the transformer thing itself, I obviously know it's not going to be that deep, so it might be, you know, if I desolder it, I might get a clearer view on the I've got a what's it thing here for the soldering iron. Oh yeah, it's over here. Yeah. Pop that in there. It needs a bit of water on the square bunge bob. Just a little bit of water on there. That's it. Okay. Just wait for that. I would use that desolder thing that I've got. But, sounds like a milling bloody cow when that thing is activated, and it scares me. Don't like that. Don't like that noise on that bloody thing. When you bloody the desoldering, sounds like a flipping cow mooing. Yeah, there might be something underneath that. So it's obviously this plastic bit here is probably kind of, I don't know, maybe glued to this transformer part assembly. So obviously Yamaha did some sort of modification to the component that they selected for, and then figured, how are we going to make it neat? And, you know, our engineer's probably thinking, and yeah, I think get that part off. It's most likely there might be wires. There might be some wires underneath. Maybe there might be wires underneath, and they're soldered to the some sort of pins. I mean, I don't know. I'll see. Just wait for the soldering iron to warm up. Is that ready? Just get everything ready. Get that ready. Put the solder in there. Okay, let's desolder. There's quite a bit of solder on this. So 1, 2, 3. So that one. Come on. Should be a bit more solder coming out of there. You've seen a few little trickles. You gotta work out soldering, work out your biceps. I prefer this desoldering to the other one. It wasn't really expecting all that. Bloody mooing cow. I think last time I desoldered was that circuit board thing for something else. I hope this has got the solder off, but I'll go over it again just to make sure the pins are clear. And I should be able to just wiggle this component off. It's exhausting desoldering. Okay. Usually do it right-handed. A little bit more solder on that one. Let's just get this another check here. That one there. One there. Just got to make sure the pins are clear, otherwise I don't want to break the circuit track or anything. Okay. Shit. Let's give that a try. I'm going to trace it. Just give the what pins a little wiggle, see if they move. That one's still soldering on a little bit there. That one there as well. So solder also goes in between the hole. So just make sure I've got it clear. I should have taken all that solder off by now. It kind of looks clear, so I'll give it a little wiggle, see if it budges. So, oh, ta-da! It's a kind of magic. Oh, okay. So got that part off. This plastic thing here, all the pins coming through. Does this press, squeeze, pull, come off? How do you pry it off? Let's see. Uh-huh. Yeah, come off. It'll come off. It'll come off, I think. Yeah, come off. Let's have a look. I think that's just a simple bit of plastic going over it. It's nothing big, it's thin. It's like a sleeve. It's like a sleeve of plastic that's going over this to isolate. Bit strong there, that's a bit flimsy there. Same there, right. Uh-huh. It's just like a little slipper or something, sleeve. It's just like a, can't really tell if it's glued, if it's got glued, if it's been partly glued, and if they put glue on it from, when they stuck it on. This. Oh, I mean, that's moving a little bit there, but. Oh. Yeah, getting a peek. Ooh, peek. Ooh, but don't touch. Oh. Sure, get some parts where that a bit awkward. I don't want to break it, even though it's broke, even though it's damaged. I want to, I want to take this off intact. Blimey. It's moving one side, but doesn't want to move the other side. So I'm not sure if when it might have overheated, it's kind of glued, or there's kind of glue or something usually on the coiling on the transformer, some sort of glue, and it might have stuck inside, and it's making it awkward to take this sleeve off. It's just a little sleeve covering. That's not a big deal. Obviously, I'll get a clearer picture. I'm going to have to get a bit savage here, so I'm going to get a bit ruthless. Doesn't matter. It's damaged. It needs a new transformer. I see myself having an accident with this. It's just this part over here. Up here, it's just stuck down too much here. The other side is pretty clear open here. This side here seems to be just the snag. Yeah, that worked. Try that again now. Well, I wanted to get it undone, almost intact. So that's about as intact as it can be. Yeah, I thought, yeah, that's better. That's a clearer picture. So that was just a bit of covering on it. So this part just got cracked. That's all right. It's not, just got, it's actually still soldered to the wiring on the transformer, but can't really smell anything because this was years ago now. So any residual smell that I had, I think it lasted for about maybe a month or two, but I can't notice anything there now. See. Wow. Wee. So yeah, 1, 2, 3. There's 5 pins on this side, and on the other side there's 4 pins. These are the outputs, and those are the input. That's the input, and that's the output. Okay, output there, input here. Can't believe I can't find anything close to this. So I'll have another look. Now I've got that plastic bit off, and let's have another look, see if I can find anything that kind of resembles that. I mean, that's the number on it for it, of the component. There's nothing else I can see on here. There's some little words stamped onto the, embossed kind of like onto the plastic here. Well, can I make them out what they say? It's just a part number, really, just for this plastic thing, just for the wires, the pins, just like if you desolder it all down, you'd have the wires, and then you'd solder rubber wires on there, bit thicker. Let's have another look. It's always something. Yeah, it's maybe 5 pin, 4 pin, 5 pin. Oh no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 pins. Let's try that. Transform 9 pin. I'll get any results under there. Does that look close to that? What we got here? That's a bit. Some parts of it, either the what's it? Plates, like little thin plates that go round, and they're screwed. I think they go around the transformer to do the. What's this part here? What's this? What we got here? I'm not sure. I've already looked at this one, or is this a different one? 15 volt. Yeah, I would say, yeah, that this thing requires probably 15 volt of somewhere in the order. Got 4 pins to that side. But what size is that thing? So if I ain't got the right side, the right, something that I have a part here that will do it, but it's not going to be the right fit to fit it inside the box. The component will be oversized. What's this one? It's a bit similar to the other one. Rapid electro. I know a friend. He knows quite a bit. We're not talking at the moment, so people move on. You know what I mean. I don't think so with that. A few more. Put that over that way. Put it round that. So let's have a look at this one. Oh, for crying out loud. What's all this bullshit? So much more, I'll just fuck it fucking bullshit on fucking rapid. What we got here? Well, that's not gonna be near enough to pin layout is not RSI TMA. No, not that one. Right. Oh, bother. Oh, bother. Wonder if I could get something like that in a little mini, well, another kind of transformer. Yeah, like one of those ones that you plug on the come in a little, and you plug it in and you got a little lead on the end. It might be 6 volt, it might be, it's got to be about 15. I think this has got to be about something like maybe about 15 volt or less. No more than that. 15 volt or less, so I'm looking for, but no, I'm not coming up with anything I can find. Oh, no. Yeah, that's possible. What's this? What pins we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 4, 5 out, 4 input. Oh, sorry, 4, 4, 4, and 5. 9 pins there. Spacing. See, I don't need to buy something and make modifications. This one's a little bit too pricey. And it probably, I don't know, it's probably not the right size. Maybe the right size, but I think this is a needle in a haystack. That one there. So I just looked at that one earlier, I think. few more. Components are over this side, and the other ones, components are the other way round. But so yeah, it goes round the. Is there anything else here that's not eluding me? Is eluding me? Is there anything else on there? Should have just found it like that. Often that's not the case. Probably discontinued. Maybe. I'll just keep going through the search here on the images to find something. It's got to be 15 volt or less. Maybe it's 12 volt. Well, which is less than 15. Maybe it's 12. I mean, something A12. Would that be ampage? Something 12 volt? What am I not looking for here? Origin, US, Japan. Surface mount. Surface mount, yeah. Oh, don't need the soldering iron on. I'm intending to solder that back in because it's faulty. Need a new one, a new part. But where? I won't be surprised to see if that little transformer is something else. I won't be surprised. None of those Behringers there. They got smaller ones, a bit smaller. Don't know about this one down there. Oh dear. keep out here. So keep looking. Just keep looking. I mean, it's got that RU sort of logo on there. I can't just find a Hammond power transformer. Yeah, maybe get another one of those and maybe put that in that other thing I got. I might need a possibly. So if you side transform it's basically thinking again. Basically thinking again. The holes up here. That would be in some way in order of they need a certain voltage, and then boom, this thing would power up, I guess, or not necessarily. You can tell if it's powering up. You gotta have the AC, the RF lead plugging into it, and then switch it on, and then see if the LED here. There's a little very micro type, kind of like a micro type LED there. It lights up behind the panel here. If that if it lights up, then yeah, the signal's passing through, and then you check it on the and if it's I need a certain voltage going through up here, but I don't know what. I have no idea. I don't know what. I can't see anything on here on the underside of the circuit board. There's nothing there can show me. Can't see anything on the top side. Otherwise, this doesn't require a lot of voltage. So, but it's got to have a certain voltage and amperage to run the components. Otherwise, it'll overload or break down. Whatever. So I'll just keep plodding along. Just keep plodding along. No. It's impossible to find. Yeah, put the everything on there, the details. It must be something I've done wrong here. And let me try and have a search, but keep that one. Dupe. I'm back. Bear is bear. Let's just try this again. Let's try RU. Let's try A. 1, 2. What's that? 7, 3, 1. What have I got here? Anything under images? Let's try. RUA. Is it what? RUA? No, I think that's got kind of confused there. Separate that. Yeah, there's the transfer. There's that logo symbol. It looks like a designer manufacturer. Three-phase. Heroes. What's this one here? What's this component? Let's have a look. Even if it hasn't got this metal thing here, this, even if it hasn't got that, what we got here? No, Sony corn, so that's 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's only 7 pin. 24 volt, 120, 110 volt, 12 volt transformer. What's this one here? Oh, that's more. It's like flipping 20 pin or something. Oh, come on. This is 1, 2, 3, 9. 2. Oh, gosh. Right, so I'll stay looking for that there. possible. Crikey, go around in circles looking for this. Wow. One, two, three, four, 9. This one. Manufacturer still, obviously, but I don't know what the manufacturer's called. Something RU or something. I'm not sure what that stands for. Regular, I don't know. I'm not sure if it's an RU. It looks like an RU. Back to front, that is. Looks like an R that's back to front, RU, but maybe I'm misinterpreting the logo. Okay. Because, if they got a database and it's thorough, then I should be able to find that part. But not even with us, some of the keywords there, and it's not even coming up with a, even if the parts that are discontinued or such, it should have something there, because there's somewhere someone's got still these parts, the actual boom part, in stock. They've got stocks of them. Manufacturer that menu. Manufacturers transfer. Let's try this. What's this one? What's this? Let's see what that says there. Oh, hang on. I can't see what that says there. Maybe I'll use the camera up here to. What's that say there? What's that logo say? TXX or T or TX? I need the other magnifying glass. Elementary, dear Watson. What's that say? I'm not sure if that's a T or a J or a KK. Very difficult to say what that is. I'll try J and KK and T and KK. See what that comes up with. always something here. Always something here. T and the KK. We got TKK. It could be TKK. I need to see a logo. I need to see a logo on site and see if. Try TCH and try logo. Nothing I can see there. It's on the outside. TKK Corporate, unless they've changed their logo over the years. TKK Corporation. TKK Corporation. Try TKK and try X S 995. Nothing under images there. Okay. Let's try a T and a K. And a P. Yeah, a T and a K and a P. Yeah. Let's try 204. Alpha 103. Missing. Two. No, nothing there. High voltage transformer. Let's see if I can. I don't really want to bother. Oh gosh, gotta go get the what's it? So coming up with negative result on the match. I'm matching that to should take the rest of this assembly off. It goes round it. So that fits around, and then it's kind of you've got to peel it off, and then it's glued. And you've got all these like metal plates, so they look very thin. And they all to do with the magnetic field, I think. XS 995. I can't believe I can't find anything under that or anything under TKP. Maybe it's not a 0. Maybe it's an O. It's got to be a 0. TPK and then 0204. Maybe miss out some of the other keywords. Maybe I'm putting too many keywords there, and it's maybe leave out a few. Might work. TPK 0204. The transforming get transformers, but not a match. Images. I've looked at that one before, but I don't know. I just don't know. And it's got less pins on it. 50, 60 hertz. What's this? That's the... Come on. It's coming out. Try that. There we go. Mix. So Yamaha here, but something Yamaha power transformer, but it's not showing very clear. And the part, hang on, yeah. I see a T and a K and a P and a 0. A 1 0. I got an A. Oh, right. I think my dear Watson, we're kind of getting a bit kind of warm. The game's afoot, my dear Watson. Yeah, I see something here that's on the Yamaha, but it's a totally different component, different transformer shape, design. But it's got the TKP on. Still got that RU logo. So, TK 0204. Yeah.
and then A103. That's got to be maybe voltage. I'm seeing another one that says A120, and that might be 120. This might be because the transformers could be what kind of what's it? I'm trying to remember the voltage. Japan, US, it could be any what one. No, it's usually 110 volt. And it's 110, 110, 110, 120. There's something there I'm getting kind of a little bit. But need to. There's a transformer, yeah. But let's try A. I'm sorry, 3. Check anything on this Encompass, that's it. It's Encompass, but it was showing a part for a Yamaha. Some probably a different sort of different Yamaha. Oh gosh. A. There's got to be some part of the model number. I'll try TKP 0204. 0204. 103. Nothing. Damn. Just when I thought the game was afoot. Okay. But hang on, let me go back and try. Let's try and have a search on the site. What's that? Audio. What have we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's too many. Most likely be very likely discontinued, and it's someone's just not put a picture of it, someone's just not taken a picture of it or what, put it on the internet so you can find these components. What we got here? NAD transform. Well, if I have to use some other means of fitting a different component and then probably gluing it to the PCB so it doesn't wobble around and solder the wires in. It's possible. What's this here? Just fucking 1, 2. It's not enough. It's not nice. Transformer taken from an Onkyo. Well, if it's from an Onkyo, it's probably a bit oversized. I ain't doing that. If I had something that was a little bit oversized, then it does the same voltage and amperage as such, but can't have it on the outside of the, and they'll probably be large, probably about the size of the whole flipping. Oh, I don't need that. No. This is a impossible part to find. I give up. Yeah. I feel like Wile E. Coyote in that Roadrunner, and he puts his little flag out, little white surrender. I give up. He's only that looking for a quick meal. And why doesn't the coyote go to a vegan freaking KFC or something and have a freaking vegan meal or something rather than trying to chase a bird round? Oh yeah, transformer. Oh yeah. It's actually mounting transformer. It's actually mounting transformer 94 result. Maybe take a guess. But guessing without a schematic service diagram for that Yamaha is a very surprised I can't find a service manual for it. See. No, it's just a user manual. It's a user manual. Oh, hang on, what we've got here. Please tell me. Come on. Oh, come on. Alright. Where's the service manual? I just can't get it open. So it's not a service manual. What's this one? Give me a. Thanks fucking paying that. There is a service manual for it. This one says free. It's not.
Click the button to download and get started.
Yeah, this one's just not. Let me get a sample. Got IC block diagram, schematic diagram, parts list. That's interesting. Parts list. Pages through 10, through 15, but maybe I've got to jerk it on the other computer. It should, but there's no reason why this should not open. It's just not. See. Right, nothing isn't. Right, negative. Sorry, it's a service manual. Cocksuckers. Okay. Sure. Okay, I had to purchase the service manual. Mind you, wow, look at it, it's pretty complicated, this. Wow. It was cheap. The service manual was cheap. What's that about? I think $11. I think that's less than £10. I think that's about £7 or something. Mm-hmm. Okay. Now I've got the service manual for it. Yeah. Let's have a look. Whoopsie. Zoom in on this. What's this bit here? There was a pages with oh yeah, we've got some nice block diagrams, and it shows all the components, yeah, what they do, what they function. Okay, can I find the transformer? Can find the transformer one here, or maybe the voltage. The schematic diagram. So I've got the schematic diagram for this. Oh yeah, this is a pretty complicated little gadget, you know, this RF demodulator. That's that big chip there. I see that big IC circuit there. Integrated circuit as such. I see. Oh yeah, we've got DC voltage. Electronic parts. Light emitting module. Oh, that's got to be the LED thing right at the very front, sort of like a light emitting diode module. Photocoupler. Polyester film cap. Electronic cap. Blades. Where's the transformer? Trim ponter. Pontiometer. Oh, yeah. The trim sort of meter thing. Yeah, that's over here. Yeah. So that's variable. I don't see any other component on there. That's otherwise. Transformer. Yeah, right. Or trans. Trans and transformer. Yeah. Digital transistor. Chips. Ramping thermals. Speaker terminal. Slide switch. Rotary switch. So, yeah. Is there anything more on transformer? Come on. Is that 460 megahertz? That's got to be these frequency crystals here. One up here. And there's another one. I think it looks like down here. But that's not relevant to. It's not applicable to what I'm going to do a search. Probably now we've got the transform, we've got the diagram, the block data, got the diagram for the part assemblies, all the parts being assembled in. Can I get a little bit more on the transformer, please? A bit more detail. That's the end of the 15 pages. Let's go through this again. List of carbon resistors. So it's got all the resistor components that go into it. And most of these resistors, I believe, because there's quite a lot of them, and they're all surface mounted underneath, and they're very, very tiny. Very tiny. Phew. Carbon resistors. Carbon resistors. It's showing the big mamas. It's showing the, hang on. That's surface mount. Yeah, they got surface mount ones here. Okay, I'll go back to the diagram. Back to the service manual. Yes, idea on the voltage. But I can't find any actual detail on the transformer. This is part, yeah. Let's see if I don't think that's the transformer. Something like what, mini rectifier? What is that? 2, 3, 4, 3. So, what's the input? So is that the, right, where's the transformer? Where's the transformer? It's like it's not including the transformer on this part of the diagram. Oh, we got interesting. We've got oscilloscope waveform. So if this were set up and testing on an oscilloscope, it should give a specific waveform and voltage and such, and it tells what pins you attach the probes to on it to check the waveform. I just can't find a freaking just can't find the bloody thing for the transformer. Still a lot of pages here to look at. It's interesting looking at memory matrix. Memory matrix. That's the diagram for the PCB to show the actual design of the diagram. File side, printed circuit board. That's where the transformer goes there, which is T1. Power supply, 5 volt. It's a good thing I checked this. If I'd have stuck 15 volt for it, I'd have probably shaboom. I'm seeing 5 volt there. 5 volt. Anything else there? Left, right, clock, 4, 8 megahertz, kilohertz, left channel selected at H. PCXO output and input. External RAM data. Well, I think it's got to really appreciate the Dolby AC3. I mean, this service manual is really wow. At least to me, it's wow. But, it just shows there how to disassemble. But it's not showing me the doesn't say like the transformer part is this, and does it say, let's have a look, see if I can see these bright letters, anything there. Slide it up to the light. That must be that side, yeah. That's that side there, yeah. Yeah. Flip it over this way, I think. So flip it back over that way. Just check. Yeah. Yeah. Over the side. Yeah. Oh yeah, and there's that component here. Just soldering here. Such. Yeah, I can see that in the diagram. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What am I really looking at? 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep looking. Yeah, good. Positive. This is 5 volt. And then, if I put 5 volt for it, couldn't do too much damage now, could it? 5 volt DC. I gotta have it all rigged up. It's to the laser display to see if the indicator light comes on. Let's zoom in on this diagram a bit more. What else? You can zoom in on it up to, yeah, that's up at max. And just look at these waveforms on the what it would look like on an oscilloscope. Of course, they're using a Tektronix 2232 oscilloscope by the looks of it. Tektronix oscilloscope. What model number was that oscilloscope? 2233. 2230. 2232. I really have got dementia. Oh yeah, there it is. I think. Let's look under images. It's got to be a CRT oscilloscope. You know, they wouldn't be using digital oscilloscopes back then. No, I mean, which is better, a CRT oscilloscope or a digital oscilloscope? You know, they do the same function, but one, I think there's some differences between resolution and such that some people sort of like say that. Yeah, 2232. Yeah. So it's definitely an old CRT, old CRT oscilloscope. 4-channel, or was that 2-channel? It's a dual channel. Dual. Maybe explain why there's a 2 in the what's it? It's my oscilloscope's 4-channel. My Rigel oscilloscope. So if I were to look, you know, but I ain't going to do that. I just need to get just need to know what the That's interesting. The waveforms. And then kind of sine wave on that's kind of like a saw. It's kind of like a square wave sort of bum. And that one's kind of like a saw wave, and that one's kind of like a sine wave. You know, there's only a few waveforms there to check. You know. This has got to be a 5 volt. It's got to be 5 volt. Let's go back. I mean, it's got to say what those pins on the circuit board, which one's which. This is another diagram service manual to us, which I don't think there would be. I can't post the PDF diagram here because it's my eyes only. Yeah, that's got to be the transformer there I'm looking at, yeah. So let's go back to let's have a look at that. And that's the transformer there. And it's got to be these 3 pits. It's got to be 3 pits. There's 4 here, but there's only, from what I think I can gather, maybe only 3. But there's only 2 wires input. So that's a gathering, that is. So I'm seeing 220, 240. Did they do a European one for the UK? 110. Oh, sorry, no, I'm misinterpreting. 110, 120, and then 220, 240. Yeah, just misinterpreting. I should have gone to Specsavers. So that one I'm looking at is really a 110, 120 volt. That's got to be a step down transformer plugged into it. Otherwise, the 240 volt will overload. Has overloaded. I just got to see what it says. The parts and all this, blah blah, but it's not really telling me anything much on the transformer side. So just keep looking. Pretty sure this is 5 volt. There's nothing on that diagram. PCP there I can see. Yeah, 2 wires in there, yeah. Voltage selector. R model. Voltage selector. Wait a second. Where is it? So with this side, these components here, or there's nothing actually soldered. They're ready to have components on them. So it's these parts here, around here. It's 1, 2, 3, and they can have I think, a modification done to it. So then, I understand the diagram. You can have a voltage selector on it. So you select between your 110, 120, and 220 and 240 volt. Well, you know, your different, you know, your 120 to your 240 volt. It doesn't show anything more. Doesn't show any more than that. That's what I'm guessing. That's for power supply 5 volt. But where does it go? It doesn't tell me. It's not telling me in the diagram. In the service manual, it's not telling me which one of these 5 is what. I can't just go connecting that up to, you know, because I'll probably put, you know, I'll break it, you know. Don't know what doesn't say. Gosh. Ugh. Number 1 through 20, 1 through 39. Page 1 through 100. 1 through 100 parts. It's not 100 parts on there, is it? I think there are 100 parts on this. Yeah, start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 64. Yeah, I would say there's probably about 100 parts on this. So it's probably 100 parts. I just can't find where the voltage is supposed to go. If I were to put up, you know, one of these 5 pins, which is which, doesn't say. 2 hours 40 minutes. Anyway, that's enough on that. So I have to see what I can do. Just got to find that. Just got to find the right type transformer. If not, maybe I don't know. Yeah, just have to see where I go. Enough on that. There it is, and yeah.